the Jamaica national trials. It's where legends are made. Every athlete dreams of this moment. The chance to represent Jamaica on the world's biggest stage. The energy is electric. The crowd is roaring. The pressure is on. This year was no different. All eyes were on the men's 100 meters. It's the race everyone wants to see. Who would be crowned the fastest man in Jamaica? And who would secure their ticket to the Paris Olympics? The stakes were high. The competition was fierce. But one man rose above the rest. Kishane Thompson, remember that name. We could be looking at our Olympic champion. Kishane Thompson. He's been making a name for himself. A young sprinter with incredible talent. He's been clocking impressive times all season. But the national trials, it's a different beast. Thompson cruised through the early rounds. He won his heat easily. His confidence was growing. Then came the semi-finals. He lined up against some big names, but Thompson didn't flinch. He exploded out of the blocks. His form was flawless. He powered through to the finish line. He won his semi-final heat with ease. The crowd went wild. Thompson had arrived. But then, a delay. Thompson had been selected for a random drug test. It's standard procedure. But the timing couldn't have been worse. The final was about to start. Thompson had to wait. He sat patiently, trying to stay loose, trying to stay focused. It was a test of his mental strength. Could he handle the pressure? The minutes felt like hours. But finally, he got the all clear. It was time for the final. Record-breaking run, Thompson's time to shine. The crowd erupted as Thompson took his place on the starting line. The tension was palpable. He was ready. The gun fired, and they were off. Thompson got a great start. He was shoulder to shoulder with the other runners. But then he found another gear. He surged ahead. His stride was effortless. He was pulling away. He crossed the finish line first. The time flashed up on the board, 9.77 seconds. A new national stadium record and the world-leading time heading into the highly anticipated Paris Olympics. Thompson had done it. He was the fastest man in Jamaica. Seville and Blake were the adversaries. It wasn't just Thompson who impressed that day. Oblique Seville took second place. He pushed Thompson all the way. Seville is a fierce competitor. He's always a threat. Akeem Blake finished third. He's another young star. He's one to watch for the future. These three athletes, they represent the future of Jamaican sprinting. They are all capable of winning on the world stage. Paris 2024, a glimpse of gold. The Paris Olympics are just around the corner, and after that performance, Jamaica is in good hands. Thompson, Seville, Blake, they have what it takes to bring home gold. It's going to be an exciting Olympics. I can't wait to see what these young athletes can do. They are an inspiration to us all. They show us what's possible with hard work and dedication.
Make sure you follow All Sports Jamaica on social media for all the latest updates on our athletes. Like this video and share it with your friends if you're excited about the Olympics. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing sports content.